Okay, I'm gonna sing For the Birds. I wrote this song about 7 years ago, but I saw a great big eagle today and also a chubby little robin. And also my dog is named Ducky, so I guess she's kind of a little bird too, so I'll sing it for the birds. Why write a song that no one will hear? I write it for me, I don't care. And I'll sing it for the birds, I'll sing it for the trees, I'll sing it for the wind, even if I seem crazy. I'll sing it for the flowers and I'll sing it for the bees, I'll sing it for the clouds. It doesn't matter who hears me. Why write a song that no one will dance to? I'll write it for me just 'cause I have the chance to. And I'll sing it for the birds, I'll sing it for the trees, I'll sing it for the wind, even if I seem crazy. I'll sing it for the flowers and I'll sing it for the bees, I'll sing it for the clouds. It doesn't matter who hears me. I'll sing it all day long, I'll sing it through the night, to the sun above and moon that's shining bright. Why write a song that's not gonna sell? I'll write it just for me. What the hell? And I'll sing it for the birds, I'll sing it for the trees, I'll sing it for the wind, even if I seem crazy. I'll sing it for the flowers and I'll sing it for the bees, I'll sing it for the clouds. It doesn't matter who hears me. Why write a song that no one will hear? I'll write it for me, I don't care. I will be singing another song tomorrow, a new one called Midlife Crisis, if you would like to listen.